During any remodeling project, surprises can happen, but it's not the problems that define your experience, it's how they're managed. I'm Jeremy Mayer with Phoenix Home Remodeling, and luckily, there is a solution. The design-build business model is the best way a homeowner can dramatically reduce their chance of any big surprise. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, your peace of mind is our top priority. When the unexpected arises, we're ready with solutions that keep your project on track. Like when we uncovered an old leaking shower during a recent project, our team quickly developed a plan that saved time and kept costs in check. It's this level of professionalism that sets us apart. If you're ready to begin, we're here to help every step of the way. If you'd like to take the next step, schedule a consultation with our remodel expert. There's no obligation, no sales, just help. You can easily schedule your complimentary consultation right from our website, or you can text or call us at 602-492-8205.